Here we have a 2001 through 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD with a 6.0 liter engine in it. In this video, we're going over the top problems with the engine. The first thing we're going to talk about is if you have a coolant leak coming from the front of the engine, then most likely you're going to need a water pump. Sometimes the water pumps leak and they just need to be replaced. To replace the water pump, it's fairly easy. Make sure the engine's cool. You're going to drain the coolant down near the radiator. Take this hose off right here, the snorkel. Then take this fan cover off. You want to take the engine fan off. Then you can take the belt out. Then there's 6 bolts that hold the water pump on, and you're going to take off a bunch of hoses. While we're in this area, let's talk about the knock sensors. Those are underneath the intake, and the symptoms you're going to have is a check engine light. You probably won't even have any drivability issues at all. To replace those, you're going to need to remove the intake and make sure you get new gaskets, because when you take the intake off, you don't want to reuse those gaskets. There's also the wiring harness that goes to the knock sensors. That is replaceable. It's a good idea to get that as well. Exhaust manifold bolts. The exhaust manifold, especially on the driver's side, the back bolt, the head of the bolt, if you see that it's missing, then that bolt is broken off. It is somewhat difficult to replace those. You pull the exhaust manifold off and try to extract that bolt the best you can. You're going to go in through the wheel well, pull the wheel well out, and remove that manifold. And some people like to weld a nut on the end. Some people like to drill and re-tap the hole. And in worst case scenario, you have to remove the head and have a machine shop fix it for you. You can see the good one right there, and you can see that the head of the back one is missing. So the bolt head broke off flush with the manifold. So there is still something to bite if you could pull that off, and try to get a twist socket on there. But normally you're going to have to try to be a little bit creative to get that off. Overall, these engines are great. There's not a lot of problems with them. They don't have a timing belt that you have to worry about breaking. The timing chain that they do have never has a problem with it. They don't stretch or anything like that. Just make sure you change your oil and it's going to last a long time. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.